In this video, we're going to look at how we can use the cruise and tour search and embeddable linking to create unique pages and URLs that highlight specific searches, such as Valentine's cruises. So to do this, all we're going to do is log into Widget. It should open up on the operator page, select products, your cruise and tour search, and then we're going to come over to embed and find our embed code. So what I'm going to do is just copy and paste this code just so that I can put it on my notes tab and just show you exactly what it is that we're focusing on. So I'm just going to open a blank note, paste that there. And the bit that we need to work with today is widget.co.uk and all the way down to the end of the quotation marks. So I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to share it in a new window. Okay, so this should bring up your cruise and tour search as it appears on your web page. So all I need to do is come to theme, because like that Valentine's would fall under this heading, find Valentine's Day and click show results. You could, if you decided to, you want to narrow it down to specific operators or ships or even destinations, but I'm going to leave it open and just bring up all the cruises that we have under that sort of tag under Valentine's Day. Okay, so that's loaded up there. As you can see, I didn't select a date or a date range, but of course with that tag of being Valentine's Day, it's all coming in and around the start to the middle to the end of February. So that's going to show up all the cruises that we have that fall under that tag. So if you wanted to share this specific page with all these search results, we're going to need to use the URL here that has brought that up. So I'm going to copy and paste that. And then from here, I'm going to go back onto my notes tab. And the section that you have highlighted, which is the original cruise and tour search URL, I'm going to paste over that with this new URL. I just need to do a couple of tweaks. So I'm going to remove the HTTPS and the / just so that it follows the same format as it previously had done. Then I'm going to copy and paste the whole embed code. And I'm just going to show you an example of how this would look if you were to embed this now onto your web page. Okay, so this is just a web page that can, like say, preview it. So I just paste that into there. And like say, it brings it up exactly as it was on your cruise and tour search. So it means that you could send this into a mail shot or a newsletter and just highlight all the Valentine's cruises you have coming up. You could even set up an offers page on your web page and have this just by using that embeddable code. You can also sort of clean it up a little bit by removing these headings. So all you're going to do is come up to the top. You're going to find 3 different sections, one being preview nav. We're going to change that from true to false. Same with results nav, change it to false. And then tabs true, we change it to false. And now you can see that it's just a search. There's nowhere to click on and off other than inquiring or learning more about specific cruises. And it just looks a lot cleaner and a lot more exact of what you want to show. So that's how you can use your embeddable codes and your cruise and tour search to create new searches or new pages and share them with your customers.